Hello, today is May 24th and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Let's review my last prediction, discuss what happened on Friday, and try to make a call for Tuesday's reopening of the market. There was a mejt target of 1889.57. We came nowhere near it, but we have until early Tuesday morning for the target to print within its preferred time frame. That's about 11 points away, but that remains the call until it fails. Software didn't have much to say yesterday. It said here that ultimately lower prices would print. They did, but the target was too close to make it tradable. The software said that that drop was a false move, that we would print at least as high as this price, and any move with staying power would go over this line somewhere after that time, which it did. Now, what about Tuesday? Well, when you get a wedge like this and a gap up, it's not really a very healthy pattern. The usual rule is the bigger the base, the bigger the move. This doesn't have a base at all. It comes to a sharp point. Typically what happens is that by the following trading a day or the open of the day after that, the gap fills. We undercut this low and we find a support level just under that low. Well, there is some other evidence too. This is one of my favorite indicators, the McClellan oscillator on the NASDAQ. When you go over the upper Bollinger Band, it's often a sign of a high. We have some signals from Demark. The 65-minute chart in blue shows a sequential sell signal, and in green a combo sell signal in combination with each other. And so the call is for an early drop on Tuesday, ideally hitting 1889.57 shortly after the open. The ideal situation would be a gap under Friday's low. It really is a tall order because usually when you rally all day before a long weekend, it continues after the weekend's over. But if we don't drop by Tuesday's close, and preferably shortly after the open, in spite of all the negative signals there are, I would strongly suspect that something else was going on. So Tuesday, particularly the open and certainly by the close, should be a reversal day, and if it isn't, then something else is going on, and that's today's call.